Welcome back. I'm so glad you're here, because today's topic is one that can truly transform the way you think, feel, and function every single day. I'm Innocent, and today we're diving into something that's often overlooked but incredibly powerful: how the food you eat directly shapes your brain power, mood, and even your long-term mental health. Most people think of nutrition as just a way to manage weight or physical health, but it's so much more than that. Nutrition isn't just about your waistline, it's the foundation for focus, memory, and mental clarity. The right foods can help you concentrate better, remember more, and even feel happier and less stressed. Imagine powering through your day with a clear mind, sharp focus, and steady energy, all thanks to what's on your plate. If you've ever struggled with brain fog, felt mentally drained, or simply want to keep your mind sharp as you age, you're in the right place. The good news is, you don't need fancy supplements or extreme diets. Just a few smart changes to your daily meals. We'll break down the top 9 foods for brain health, explain why they work, and show you simple, delicious ways to add them to your meals. You'll learn how these foods support your brain's structure, protect against memory loss, and even boost your mood. There are no miracle cures here, just smart, evidence-based choices that can make a real difference in your cognitive well-being. Science shows that what you eat today can shape how your brain works tomorrow. From everyday fruits you already know and love, to some surprising superfoods you might not have tried yet, you'll get practical, easy-to-follow tips to boost your brain health and overall well-being. These are changes anyone can make, no matter your age or lifestyle. So grab a healthy snack, maybe some nuts or a handful of berries, and let's dive in together. Your journey to a sharper, more vibrant mind starts right now. First up, let's talk about blueberries, often called the ultimate brain berries. These tiny, vibrant fruits aren't just delicious, they're packed with powerful nutrients that can make a real difference in how your brain functions every day. Blueberries are loaded with anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant that gives them their deep blue color. These antioxidants are like a protective shield for your brain, helping to guard against oxidative stress and inflammation, two major factors that can contribute to cognitive decline as we age. But the benefits don't stop there. Multiple scientific studies have shown that regularly eating blueberries can actually improve memory, sharpen your thinking, and even delay the onset of short-term memory loss. In fact, some research suggests that people who eat blueberries consistently perform better on cognitive tests than those who don't. Blueberries work their magic by boosting communication between brain cells, making it easier for you to learn new things and retain information. This means that whether you're studying for an exam, learning a new skill, or just trying to stay sharp, blueberries can give your brain the extra support it needs. The best part? Blueberries are incredibly easy to add to your daily routine. Toss a handful into your morning oatmeal, blend them into a smoothie, sprinkle them over yogurt, or simply enjoy them as a sweet, refreshing snack straight from the bowl. Their versatility means you can enjoy their benefits in countless ways. And don't worry if fresh blueberries aren't always available. Frozen blueberries are just as nutritious. In fact, freezing helps lock in their antioxidants, so you can enjoy their brain-boosting power year-round. There's really no excuse to skip out on these superfoods. What's even more exciting is that some studies suggest you might notice immediate benefits, like improved focus, better concentration, and even a brighter mood shortly after eating blueberries. Imagine feeling more alert and ready to tackle your day, just from a simple snack. The secret lies in the flavonoids found in blueberries. These compounds help increase blood flow to the brain, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to keep you energized and mentally sharp throughout the day. So the next time you're at the grocery store, think of blueberries as more than just a tasty treat. See them as a smart investment in your brain health, a small change in your shopping cart that can have a big impact on your mental well-being. Make it a habit to include blueberries in your weekly meal prep or daily snacks. Your brain will thank you, both now and in the years to come. Let's dive into the world of fatty fish. Think salmon, trout, sardines, and tuna. These aren't just delicious options for your dinner plate. They're some of the most powerful foods you can eat for your brain. What makes these fish so special? They're absolutely packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for your brain's structure and function. In fact, about 60% of your brain is made of fat, and a large portion of that fat is the omega-3 type found in these fish. The two most important omega-3s are DHA and EPA. These nutrients help build flexible, healthy brain cell membranes, allowing your brain cells to communicate efficiently. They also help reduce inflammation, which is linked to cognitive decline and many brain disorders. Studies show that people who regularly eat fatty fish have more gray matter in their brains. Gray matter is crucial. It's the part of your brain responsible for memory, learning, and decision-making. More gray matter means sharper thinking and better recall. There's even more good news. Omega-3s are linked to a lower risk of Alzheimer's disease and can help slow down age-related mental decline. That means eating fish isn't just about today's focus. It's an investment in your long-term brain health. If you're not a fan of fish, don't worry. Fish oil supplements can provide similar benefits, though eating whole fish gives you extra nutrients like vitamin D, selenium, and high-quality protein that supplements can't fully match. Try to include at least 2 servings of fatty fish in your weekly meals. This could be as simple as enjoying baked salmon with roasted veggies, tossing together a fresh tuna salad, or grilling sardines for a Mediterranean-inspired dinner. The key is consistency. Making fish a regular part of your diet helps your brain stay resilient and sharp over the years. Planning ahead with meal prep or marking fish days on your calendar can make it easier to stick to this healthy habit. And if you truly can't eat fish, a high-quality fish oil supplement is a smart backup. Just be sure to choose one that's pure and tested for contaminants. Remember, building a resilient brain doesn't require complicated recipes or expensive ingredients. Simple, wholesome fish meals can deliver big benefits for your mind and memory. So with every bite of salmon, tuna, or sardines, you're investing in your cognitive future. Make each meal count. Your brain will thank you for years to come. From the spice rack, turmeric, powered by curcumin. Curcumin crosses the blood-brain barrier, fighting inflammation and acting as a potent antioxidant. It boosts BDNF, a hormone that helps grow new brain cells and supports memory. Early research suggests curcumin may help clear amyloid plaques linked to Alzheimer's. For best absorption, pair turmeric with black pepper. Piperine increases curcumin's bioavailability by 2,000%. Add this duo to curries, soups, or even a golden milk latte. Turmeric isn't just a flavor boost, it's brain protection in a pinch. Simple, powerful, and easy to use. Spice up your meals and your mind. Give your brain a golden edge. Broccoli, your brain's best friend in the veggie aisle. Loaded with antioxidants and sulforaphane, it shields your brain from damage. Its real superpower? Vitamin K, crucial for building strong brain cell membranes. Studies link higher vitamin K intake to better memory and cognitive health. Broccoli also brings vitamin C and choline to the table, both key for memory. Steam, roast, or toss it raw into salads. Just get it on your plate. It's not about one nutrient, but the whole package. Make broccoli a regular guest at your table for a smarter you. Don't overlook pumpkin seeds. Tiny, but packed with brain-critical minerals. They deliver magnesium for memory, iron for oxygen flow, zinc for nerve signaling, and copper for neurotransmitter balance. Low levels of these minerals are linked to brain fog, poor focus, and even neurodegenerative diseases. Pumpkin seeds are an easy way to cover your bases. Sprinkle them on salads, blend into smoothies, or snack on them roasted. One small handful gives your brain a powerful nutrient boost. They're convenient, versatile, and delicious. Keep a jar handy for a daily brain upgrade. Simple habits, big results. Feed your neurons what they crave. Tiny seeds, mighty impact. Good news, dark chocolate is on the list. Choose chocolate with at least 70% cocoa for the brain benefits. Cocoa flavonoids boost blood flow, improve memory, and sharpen focus. Even a small amount can give you a quick mental lift before a big task. Caffeine and theobromine add a gentle energy boost and mental clarity. Dark chocolate also lifts your mood. Science says it's not just the taste. Enjoy a square or two daily for a mindful, brain-healthy treat. Quality and moderation are key. Savor it, don't overdo it. Treat your brain and your taste buds. Nuts are a brain-boosting snack you can eat anywhere. They're rich in healthy fats, antioxidants, and especially vitamin E, which protects brain cells from damage. Walnuts stand out for their plant-based omega-3s, but almonds and hazelnuts are great for vitamin E too. Studies link regular nut consumption to sharper memory and slower cognitive decline. A small handful a day is all you need. Just watch the portion size. Sprinkle nuts on yogurt, salads, or enjoy them straight from the bag. They provide steady energy and help prevent brain fog. Make nuts a daily habit for long-term brain health. Crunch your way to a sharper mind. Oranges aren't just for colds, they're brain defenders thanks to vitamin C. This antioxidant protects your brain from aging and supports neurotransmitter production for mood and focus. Higher vitamin C levels are linked to better memory and decision-making. Oranges, bell peppers, kiwi, and strawberries are all great sources. Whole foods give you extra benefits from other nutrients and flavonoids. Add orange slices to your breakfast or snack on bell peppers for a brain boost. Keep your brain's defenses strong with vitamin C-rich foods. Simple, tasty, and effective. Eggs are back in the spotlight for brain health, thanks to choline. Choline is vital for making acetylcholine, the neurotransmitter behind memory and learning. Most people don't get enough. Egg yolks are one of the best sources. Choline is crucial from pregnancy through old age for cognitive performance. Eggs also provide B vitamins that help slow cognitive decline. Enjoy them scrambled, boiled, or in an omelet with veggies. Affordable, versatile, and packed with brain fuel. Don't skip the yolk, your brain will thank you. There you have it, 9 superfoods to boost your brain and memory. The secret? A diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods, not magic pills. Start small. Add walnuts to your salad, swap in dark chocolate, or try salmon for dinner. Consistency leads to long-term brain benefits. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Which brain food is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Stay curious, eat smart, and see you next time.